Leprosy, also known as Hansen disease, is one of the most misunderstood diseases in history. For centuries, people believed it spreads easily through touch. But the truth is very different. Leprosy is a chronic bacterial infection that mainly affects the skin and peripheral nerves. It is caused by a slow-growing bacterium called Mycobacterium leprae. Unlike common belief, leprosy is not highly contagious. It does not spread through handshakes, hugging, or sharing food. Instead, it spreads through respiratory droplets, and only after prolonged close contact with an untreated person. One unique feature of this disease is its long incubation period. Symptoms may take anywhere from 2 to 10 years to appear. Inside the body, the bacteria attack immune cells and nerve cells. They invade macrophages and Schwann cells, causing nerve damage. As a result, the affected person may lose sensation, especially in the hands, feet, and skin patches. Leprosy is classified into two main types: paucibacillary or PB, where there are 5 or fewer skin lesions and a low bacterial load, and multibacillary or MB, where there are more than 5 lesions and a higher bacterial load. Common symptoms include light or reddish skin patches, loss of sensation, muscle weakness, and thickened peripheral nerves. If left untreated, it can also affect the eyes and nose. But here's the good news. Leprosy is completely curable. The standard treatment is multi-drug therapy, or MDT. For PB cases, treatment includes rifampicin and dapsone. For MB cases, clofazimine is added to the regimen. With proper treatment, patients can recover fully and stop the spread of the disease. Sometimes during treatment, patients may develop reactions. Type 1 reaction, also known as reversal reaction, and type 2 reaction, called erythema nodosum leprosum. These conditions require additional treatment such as corticosteroids or thalidomide. Leprosy is not a curse, and it is not something to fear. It is a treatable disease, and early diagnosis can prevent disability. So spread awareness, not stigma. And remember, treatment brings cure, and knowledge removes fear.